everyone, I'm Miss Brooks. I teach at Brook and Spring City Elementary. I just wanted to send a video to shout out, to say hello to all of my friends. I miss you and I hope you're all staying healthy. I hope to see you again very soon. In the meantime, I have a little experiment that you can do at home. You can do it outside in your yard or inside your house, depending on what you're able to do. This experiment you should be able to do with things that are just lying around your house. So you just need a piece of paper. It can be any piece of paper, an old assignment, a piece from the newspaper, something to write with, and something to measure with. So if you have a ruler or you have a measuring tape, that's great. If not, you can use your feet. So what we're going to do is we're going to be creating paper airplanes. And we're going to be asking the question, how can I make my airplane go farther? So you want it to go as far as possible. So we're going to be using a little modified version of the engineering design process to help us. So our first step is to ask our question, and I've already created that question for you. So how far can you make your airplane fly? You're going to brainstorm some solutions. What are you going to do to your plane to make it go further when you throw it? Then you're going to develop your plan. Once you have your plan developed, then you can go ahead and create your airplane. So here's my example. It's very simple. If you have a parent at home that can help you kind of Google different designs, feel free. Once you've created your airplane, you're going to decide on a starting point. So I'm going to use my sidewalk line here to line up. I'm going to throw my paper airplane, and then I'm going to measure how far it went. So here's where you would use your ruler or your measuring tape. Like I said, if you don't have a ruler or a measuring tape, you can use your feet. So if I threw my airplane, I could use my feet to how many steps it takes me to get to my airplane. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, one thing that's important to note is if you are doing this with your siblings or other people in your house, make sure that who's ever measuring, it's the same person that measures each of them. After you've measured them, your job is to test your model, so throw it like I just showed you. Then you're going to record your results. How far did it go? We're going to do this 3 times. After each trial, you're going to improve your plan. Figure out, okay, if my paper airplane didn't go as far as I thought it would, what can you do to make it go further the next 2 trials? Typically, we share out our results when we're finished our experiment. What can we do? We can communicate with other scientists to see what worked well. And then, of course, at the end of our experiment, it's always good to do some more research. So if you're interested in doing more research and understanding why your airplane flew further or didn't fly as far as you want, look up these 2 terms, force and mass. You can do this on BrainPop and see how those 2 factors really affect your airplane. So have fun experimenting. I look forward to getting back into the classroom with all of you and hope to see you soon. Stay healthy and have a great day.